Whoa!
I up the above, God bless, love. I up the above, peace, love. Yes. Peace, respect. Yes. It's gonna be crazy. Hey, be careful enough.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Keem. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're new, welcome to my content. If you are here a long time, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, today we're gonna do a reaction to Diana and Ankudinova. This is my third reaction, I think, on my content. The first and second one did well, so hopefully this can do well as well. Now, latest next gen, we're the next generation of dancehall. If you're a fan of dancehall music, you're on the right page. If you're a fan of reggae music, you're on the right page. Now I need you guys to go and find out more about our Jamaican culture. You can go ahead, hit the hashtag down below our title to find out more about the dancehall space or genre in Jamaica. Now guys, I literally love Diana's voice. I love her music. I love her singing. I also love her performance. So I'm going to explore more about her on this video. So without further ado, people, let us jump into the review. Thank you so much, guys. Alright, we're going to go into the reaction now. So it's going to count.
Fire. No one could save me but you. It's strange what desire will make foolish people do. I'll never dream that I need somebody like you.
Let's take our time before we get outrageous. Yes! Welcome back.
Class.
She have this spirituality voice. She is great at her craft. She is amazing with everything she does. Everything she sings, she's amazing. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
What we did get to play to make me feel this way. What we getting to do to let me dream of you.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Ah! Yes. I can feel that. I can feel that. I can.
What we getting to say, you never felt this way. What we getting to do to make me dream of you.
Sorry. Let's go further. Let's go further. Bravo! 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 She's good. I've witnessed her reactions like many times, and I like her voice, and I like how she deliver her notes. Ain't nobody can do such like she. She's different, she's unique, and that's what I like about her. She's unique, singular, and different. You know, she's having a helter skelter voice. She having a helter skelter vibe as well. Yeah, she's unique, singular, and different. Whoa! Wow, incredible. Incredible. It's you guys, if you guys wanna know about Diana, can go ahead and just search for Diana Ankudinova, and you guys can never ever be regretful after you watch or listen to her performance. If you guys are down, feeling like nobody in this world loves you, just go ahead and listen to her. She literally is a deliverance person. She delivers you from any downfall in life. Trust me. Wow. Wow.
No one could save me
Good.
but you.
Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I'll try to respond to everybody's comment. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Kim, and you know, I'm out of here.